All right, let's get a move on and tell you about some other stocks as well that you need to keep on your radar. There is, of course, Tata Motors on that list. But we'll begin then with Canfin Homes, which came out with its earnings. A 93 crore rupee PAT, which was a little bit higher on a year-on-year basis versus 81 crores. Provisions at 44 crores on a sequential basis came in vis-a-vis about 41 crores. And the calculated NII growth as well was healthy at 191 crore rupees. There is, of course, Tata Motors basis the kind of commentary that was made at the AGM by N. Chandra, that they currently have about 48,000 crores of debt currently, and they are working to becoming a zero debt company in the next 3 years. And one way of doing that will be unlocking value from their core assets. Not just that, they plan to make the PV business a bit positive this year, and they're going to prune their portfolio with tight capital allocation. As of now, no truth that they are looking to exit the PV business. Edelweiss Financial in the limelight. A Pacific Alliance Group is set to buy a majority stake in the business, and this is going to mark their first private equity investment in India. This is going to be a 51% stake at about 2,200 to 2,500 crores, but it's only source based. Viatech Wabag, it's a water treatment company that's going to be in the limelight. They've raised nearly 120 crore rupees from HNIs, including Rekha Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, who's bought about 80 crore shares for 80 crores for about 50 lakh shares on a preferential basis. There's Basera Home Finance, which has bought about 15 lakh shares. Sushma and Anand Jain, who have bought about 10 lakh shares for 16 crore rupees. They do plan to grow, fuel their growth plans, explore new business opportunities, and these investments happened at about 160 rupees per share. Lupin is clearly in the limelight on the upside after the news coming in. Lots of brokerages giving it a thumbs up for the approval of one of their drugs. The Morgan Stanley has an overweight with a target price at 1,016, saying that it's a turning point in the inhaler story. They can generate close to $120 to $150 million in sales over the next 2 years. Nomura has a buy with a target price at 1,012. Motilal Oswal too has a buy rating with an 1,130 rupees target price. Well, let's find out what our chartists are picking out on from the mid-caps too. Let's connect with Dr. C.K. Narayan and Kunal Bothra yet again. And Dr. Narayan, your mid-cap call? Okay, Kunal, I'm going to come to you first. Your mid-cap recommendation.
Well, Lava, it's a barn Petronet. Now, I think a week or two back, the stock had, seen a very sharp recovery.